Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to find the number of even substrings in a string of digits. Given a string of digits 0 to 9, the task is to count the number of substrings which when converted into integer form an even number. If input string is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, output will be 6 with the 6 substrings being 2, 4, 12, 34, 234, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the input string is 154, output will be 3 with the three substrings being 14, 54 and 154. And for input string 15, output will be 0 as there are no even substrings. Now for a number to be even, substring must end with an even digit. We find all the even digits in the string and for each even digit, count the number of substrings ending with it. Now, observe that the number of substrings will be index of that even digit plus 1. Plus 1 for the digit itself. Let's look at the implementation. Len is the length of the string and we initialize count as 0. If the current digit is even, add the count of substrings ending with it. That is, add count by I plus 1. Finally, return the value of count. We have a single loop, so the time complexity of this solution is order n. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.